Encore Catalyst is a suite of optimized solutions that integrate Dynamics 365 Sales components to ensure seamless usability and a cohesive user experience across the account, contact, lead, and opportunity tables. The primary objective of Catalyst is to offer readily deployable solutions that enable swift implementations, uniformity in project execution, and a customized environment that aligns with the client's requirements. The enhanced interface of the new system is intended to augment the end user's learning experience, resulting in a platform that is more user-friendly and intuitive. Taking a look at some of the components, if I click within a form, all of these four tables will have a two-column form with a 60-40 ratio. This presentation format of data is designed to ensure a visually appealing and easily comprehensible representation to the end user. Next, we also have consistent tabs. So we have the summary, addresses, timeline, for example. If I jump to another form, again, I have the consistent tabs with the addresses, preferences, timeline, all presented, again, with the two-column 60-40 ratio. And if I continue on throughout the other tables, you'll see that I also have these consistent tabs. This just makes the learning experience for a user more consistent when trying to find data. Next, we have the phone number format. So as you can see here under contact details, we do have a standard format. So we have with the area code and then with the digits themselves. This is again is to maintain uniformity by incorporating a standardized format in order when we're importing data or creating new data to ensure that it's consistent and I will have no errors when using it in the system. Something else that we have within the records themselves is if I go to create a new account, for example, at the top here, I have the record ID. Anytime that I create a new account, a record ID is generated. What this allows is for us to have efficient record keeping and facilitate the bulk import of data. Each record will be equipped with an auto-generated number field to ensure that we can always track the record. This isn't just for the account, but for any of these four tables. Next, we have our map. So if I go down to our addresses here, we have our Bing map available. So when you start typing in an address, you are able to get a visual representation of where that address is located. We also do have an address autocomplete. So if I jump to the top here and I start entering my address, I can actually use my current address, but I'll just close this for now. By the time I have three numbers or three characters entered, we have a pop-up here that does display an autofill for United States and Canada. Once I actually click on it, it populates my fields here, including a zip or postal code. And then again, when I scroll down, you can now see that with that Bing map, I have that visual representation of where this address is located. Again, just like the other components, we really want to ensure consistency as well as data reliancy, knowing that this is the correct zip or postal code for this address and avoid that user error. Something else that we have, if I go to, let's say, a lead, for example, and I'm just going to go into an existing record here, is this Up Next widget. So this provides sales representatives with a prioritized list of tasks and activities that need to be completed. It is designed to help sales teams manage their daily workload and stay on top of their sales pipeline. That is everything that is included in Release 1 of Encore Catalyst. More updates will come in later releases. Again, the overall goal is to ensure efficiency and usability within a system and allow for users to really be familiar with the data and how to follow day-to-day processes within the new system.